Hi guys, my name is Joshua Daniel George from Dijs University, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make money fast with Clickbank in 2020. Okay guys, so welcome to a new video, and as I already mentioned in the introduction, today we're going to be looking at how you can earn money with Clickbank fast in 2020. So what I mean by that is the quickest way to get conversions, to earn money online. And if you are just starting out, there's one thing that you cannot leverage because you haven't got it, and that is money. So because you can't leverage money, you need to leverage your time. That means that it will not happen fast, it will not happen quickly, because you need to put time and effort into it. With that said, if you have got money to spend, at least $500 to $1,000, you can basically get the ball rolling more quickly, because you can make the money work for you. So rather than leveraging your time, you will leverage your money. Okay, now with that said, there are a few ways to earn money quickly with Clickbank. Let me just quickly log in first, sign into our account, and what you guys need to understand is that all of the products on Clickbank are not owned by Clickbank. Okay, they are owned by third-party vendors. So other people have come to Clickbank to basically add their product to the marketplace, so other people can promote it for them. Then when you make a sale, you get commission for making that sale, and that person, the owner of the product, obviously gets money because their product has been sold. Okay, so that is just one thing that you need to take into consideration, is that the products are owned by vendors. Okay, and then the affiliates, you and me, are the ones promoting that product. So it's in the best interest of the vendor, so of the owner of the product, if that product gets a lot of sales. So what does that vendor do? He or she basically tries to make it as easy as possible for the affiliates to make those sales and make those conversions. So if there are, let's say, 100 affiliates promoting the products, and one of those 100 affiliates basically stands out above all of the rest of the people, getting the most conversions, has the highest converting landing page, the best converting copy, the best images, the best bridge page, and so on and so forth, what that vendor is going to do is he is going to ask that affiliate if they can have the landing page, the copy, etc., and he or she is going to show that to the other affiliates, because if it works for that one affiliate, it will work for the others as well. And if 100 affiliates start using the same high converting copy and landing page, the vendor will make more sales. Okay, so what you can now do on Clickbank, well, what you've actually been able to do for a while, is add a attribute to your filter called affiliate tools. Okay, so when you go to your marketplace, on the left hand side you'll see attributes, and then when you go down you click on affiliate tools. With that said, if you sort by gravity within the Clickbank marketplace, which you can do here, sort by gravity, most of the top performing products will already have affiliate tools, but if you want to filter by just affiliate tools, then add it as an attribute here on the left hand side. Okay, so as you can see here, these are the products with the highest gravity, which means that these products are getting the most sales at the moment, so the hottest products by all the affiliates. Okay, so as you can see here, this one has a gravity of 535, and there is a specific algorithm for the gravity, so that does not mean that 535 sales have been made. It's like a point system. Within the last 12 weeks, X amount of sales have been made by X amount of affiliates, and therefore the gravity is 535. Okay, so with that said, as I already mentioned, it has affiliate tools. So when I click on that here, you will see that hang on, let me see what this is. Yes, give me access. Basically the owner of, in this case, Leftotox, has provided us with email swipes, banners, let's see what else, product images, keywords, ad headlines for Facebook that are compliant, Facebook training, landing page tutorials, more ad images, different landing pages, written content, product reviews, press releases, and if you need anything else, they literally have a contact form for you to basically click on to request more assets, because the better prepared you are, or the more assets and tools you have to your disposal, the higher the likelihood that you will get sales, and the higher the likelihood that the owner of Leptotox will make more money. Okay, so use the affiliate tools to the best of your abilities, because they are literally assets that you have to your disposal to make it easier for you. Okay, now with that said, obviously I already mentioned it, sort by gravity, because we want to find products that are already hot. Okay, there's no point in promoting products that aren't very popular. Okay, try and basically model success rather than trying to reinvent the wheel. Okay, so you do what works, stand on the shoulders of giants. Leptotox is a proven product to be promoted on Clickbank. Same goes for Cinderella Solution, the Halkey's Diabetes Remedy, Ted's Woodworking, His Secret Obsession, the Lost Book of Remedies. These are all of the top performing products on Clickbank with an extremely high gravity and all with affiliate tools. For example, Cinderella Solution, if you click on that affiliate page, we'll see that, again, the same thing here as well. There's a Facebook ads conversion kit. There's all reasons why, they basically want you to promote them. Let's see what else they've got. They've got Facebook friendly video sales letters, 2 different variations as well. They've got banners and images. They have a ClickFunnels landing page. Let's see what else they've got. They've got Facebook ad images that are compliant with Facebook. They've even given you the best converting copy, guys. You literally, all you need to do is copy and paste this. Obviously, do give it a little bit of your own spin, so you do stand out from all the rest, because obviously a lot of affiliates will be using this copy. But literally all they want you to do now is drive traffic with the assets that they provided. They know this works. All they need is for you to spend money on ads to drive the traffic, because all of the tools here will do the rest. Okay, so affiliate tools, use them to the best of your abilities, because they are assets that will make you some serious bang for your buck with Clickbank. With that said, another thing to look out for is the video sales letter. Okay, there is a reason why the top products all have a video sales letter, is because it works so well. Okay, it's literally some kind of magic formula that gets people to engage with the product, understand what it's all about, and to basically make the sale. Okay, no one wants to go through hours and hours of copy to read what a product is about, but if you can watch a 5-minute video, you understand what the product is, what it does, what results have been gotten, have already been gotten in the past, and why it's a perfect product for you to purchase. Okay, I'm obviously talking about the consumer's point of view. So video sales letter is probably one of the best performing landing pages at this moment. With that said, if you are using Facebook as your traffic source, make sure you do add a bridge page prior to that, for 2 reasons. Number 1, to be compliant with Facebook, and number 2, if you want to capture email leads so that you can retarget those people and resend them offers in the future. Okay, I'll just quickly map out what I mean, just to make it easier for you guys to understand. Let me just change the text color to white, and we'll change the background color to, let's just do black, so it's nice and clear. So here we go. So what you have is your advertisements. In this case, a Facebook ad. Again, this can be a Google ad, Bing ad, Quora ad, whatever you want. I am a big fan of Facebook ads, so that is why I've chosen for the Facebook ad here. Second one is the landing page or bridge page. So landing/bridge page. Again, I'll just change the colors here, black, and then the text is white. And then the last one is the video sales letter, also known as VSL. Okay, so that is the video sales letter that is owned by the vendor. Okay, that is something that we don't have to create. All we need to do is create the Facebook ad, the landing page or bridge page, and then the video sales letter will do the rest. Okay, because this video sales letter has been proven to work. Okay, they have been working on this ever since this product has been available. They're constantly testing it, they're constantly tweaking it, analyzing the data to make sure that a very large percentage of people that are on this page will convert. Okay, all we need to do is find the right traffic source, funnel them to this page, and then this page will do all the rest. Okay, so what we then do is we send traffic from Facebook or other traffic sources to the landing page. Then we can either have a bridge page that directly connects them to the video sales letter, or what we can do is this one, capture the email. Okay, so we can say if you want to see, depending on what it is. So let's just let me just quickly check what this offer is. Keep watching this revealing video. So this is the 5-second hack that kills food cravings and melts 62 pounds of raw fat. So what we can say on the bridge page is, do you want to know the exact formula that basically, you know, obviously it has to be compliant with Facebook. So we can say something like the water hack that makes you lose your food cravings. Okay, you need to be a little bit more compliant with Facebook. Obviously, again, use the affiliate tools so you don't have to think about a title. You can just see what the affiliate tools have to say so that you have a compliant headline for your bridge page. But what you then say is fill in your name and email address to receive our video or our explanation, or to receive the information that you require. Okay, now if the people go from the Facebook ad to the bridge page and then they fill out their email, so you receive their email address and their name, then they watch the video sales letter and they think, nah, not today, I'm not really feeling it, because, you know, the chances are that they won't purchase in the first go because they have no idea who it's about. They don't know who you are, so they don't trust your judgment that this is a good product. And, you know, they've never heard of, in this case, what's it called, Leptotox before in their life. So they think, you know what, I'll give it a miss. I'll take a rain check maybe in the near future. What you can then do, because you have their email address, is you can send them another email about Leptotox, about the results that it's gotten, about how amazing that product is, and then send them back to the video sales letter. Then, because it's the second time round, you know, they think, oh, hang on, I've seen this before. Okay, so it's gotten good results. I might actually purchase it this time. And this second addition to basically our flow is free of charge because you've already captured the email. Okay, so you don't need to send paid traffic through the funnel again, because you've already got the email. All you need to do is send out an email blast using, you know, email software. That could be MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, Aweber, whatever you want. Every one of those softwares has a free version or like a freemium model where, you know, you only stop paying after you hit a certain threshold of, you know, the amount of email addresses that you have gotten. Okay, so you can send more traffic for free to that video sales letter because you already have their contact info. So if you do not get that person to pay for the video, you know, for that product through the video sales letter the first time round, you can then just resend that traffic to the video sales letter, because the second time round they have already seen it, they are more familiar with the product, and, you know, basically you can get them to, you know, give them a second chance to make that purchase. In terms of the emails, again guys, you can just use the affiliate tools. So again, Leptotox, let me see if they have email swipes. I think they do. Email address, enter your stuff below, yes, give me access. Moving on, email swipes, there we go. All we need to do is download the email pack. Is there just not a way to see if there's any emails here or anything that we can use just to show you guys? Articles even, we can send them articles via email about how, you know, good this product is. Product reviews, we can send them, let's see what else we can send them. Yeah, so here's the headlines I was talking about. There's also keywords if you want to use Google. We can send them images of what the product looks like, of the owner of the product. Let's just see what the emails are all about then. So there we go. They've even given us the email subject. And then unopens, do this hack to drop 2 pounds of fat in 8 hours video tutorial. They've given us the body of text. So all you need to do, guys, is copy and paste this you know, via your email software, and then send them back to that video sales letter. And this is hands down the easiest way to earn money with Clickbank in 2020. So like I said, guys, it is by the paid traffic route, but when you're starting out, you can basically leverage your time because you haven't got the money. And yes, it will take longer, but as soon as you have money to invest, you no longer have to leverage your time. You can start leveraging your money and making the money work for you. And that is how and when you'll start earning money quickly with Clickbank in 2020. So I hope you got something out of this. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have not been following along with my Clickbank journey, I also have my own YouTube channel called Joshua Daniel George. I will leave it linked in the description box or in the first comment down below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel for more, and I'll see you guys in the next video.